Hello everyone, this is Rahul from Opus. Here we are going to solve this question which states draw a boxer practicing uppercut. So it's a typical boxing move, but mainly the question requires you to have an understanding of human anatomy and how the body postures, uh, like how the body takes its posture during a particular type of action. So we will start with a general line of action. Okay, and first we'll give the head structure, and then from here we will just take a hand, and that will give you that posture required for that particular boxing stance or moves. So we will first do with a just basic uh, simple lines to get the general volume of the hand and the other shapes. After that we will give details of the so this is generally the boxing bag. So we'll add details to that after we have the general understanding that our figure is going in the right direction. So we will move the face a little bit downward, like in this angle, and then so at that side there is another hand, and that is how we create the stance. So we will slowly start adding the anatomical details of the boxer. Remember this, this sports these sports persons are very muscular, sometimes way too muscular, but some amount of muscles they all have because this is a very brawny sport. So we will add that you need to have an understanding of that brawny structure. Then we can add the lips and other things. So here you see the head looks a little small, so we will increase it on this side and along with the shoulder itself. So we will add certain amount of strokes and other things to make the muscle pop out. Just a generic uh, directional lines which would help us create that right effect. So you see we got that structure, and now we will add that boxing gloves whose volume we have given before. So now you see we have that entire structure. So it is also important how you manage the space, because you have to understand which portion of the drawing is going to take the maximum space. That's we have started from that extreme left. So now you see that we have this figure ready, and we just need to make and understand the other parts of the figure. So this is how we are about to solve this type of questions. So keep in mind that always you need to create that right feel and effect for the postures and necessary anatomical detail. So I hope you understood how to solve the question like this. Thank you.